This is going to be a video product review of the Boltune noise canceling headphones, the 2019 upgraded headphone. The headphone has a protein ear pad that is skin friendly and very safe to wear. The headphone also has a built-in microphone. It has deep bass. It is wireless. Let me show you some of the features on this headphone. We have the power button. We have the volume increase, volume decrease. This is also changing the track on the music that you're listening to. This is the cord jack. We have a microphone here, and we have an LED light. On the other side of the headphone, we have the automatic noise cancellation button. On this side, we have the USB power jack, and we also have an LED to show when it is charging. It comes with a beautiful case that you might want to use when you are traveling. It has instructions listing how to set it up for carrying. It also comes with a package of cables. Let's open this up now. We have the USB power cord. Plug this into any USB 1 amp adapter for charging. We have the audio cable that will plug into your iPod or whatever you're listening to, your cell phone, and the other side will plug into the headphones if you want to do that, or you can use it wireless with Bluetooth. And we also have this adapter that is used on the airplane so that you can listen to audio or movies or music while you're on an airplane. The advantage of a noise canceling headphone is it really does cancel the noise out. If you're on an airplane, if you're on a bus, if you're in a noisy room, if you're at work in an office, you flip the switch for the noise cancellation and everything becomes silent. It cuts down on the sound about 96%. The nice thing about these headphones, they've got great technology that will give you a deep HD bass, so you will be able to enjoy your music the way it was meant to be. These, again, are made out of a nice protein ear pad that is comfortable and safe on the ear. We have aluminum alloy on the headphones. Very comfortable to wear. Adjustable for all size heads. All you need is 5 minutes of charging time to get 2 hours of use. It has a built-in 680 milliamp battery, so you should be able to get 30 hours of use out of this. These are very easy to set up. All you need to do is press the power button that I showed you on the side for about 5 seconds. That will bring this into pairing mode. Put this right next to your cell phone or whatever you are going to be connecting it to. Activate the Bluetooth on your cell phone and then do a search for the Boltune BT-BH011. Once you set up the pairing, it will remain. So even if you turn off your cell phone and turn off your headphones, once you turn them back on, the pairing will still be there. I'm going to leave a link for the Boltune headphones in the video description. Make sure you click on that affiliate link. Buy these today. These are wonderful. These are high-quality headphones. Children will appreciate this. Adults will love these headphones. Very stylish, very comfortable, very easy to set up, and the deep HD bass is beautiful.